Hello and welcome to my plans app template. And this is a personal planner app with insights and a heart. So later you will see. So basically it has two features. So you can be able to see all your plans on a specific date. And also you can be able to see some insights about your progress or your productivity or your plans. So later you will see more about this. So for now, so this is the front end of the app. So it has a basic functionality. Basically, you can add a new task or your plan. And so what I mean by the heart is you can be able to rate it of how much you really love what you are doing. So you can rate it using this heart rating, and then you can choose your category, and you can include your start and end time for your task. So once it's done, you'll be able to see it here on a respective date that you've entered. And then secondly, the insights. So basically it has four major charts at the moment, so you can see the overall status of your progress. So currently I have 18 tasks all in all, and I have completed already 9 tasks, and I still have 9 active tasks. And also I can view all my completed tasks when I click this button. So it has the same look and feel of the plans tab, but here you can just review it, and you can actually share it through social media. And you can actually filter it by the category that you are going to input depending on your needs on the Google Sheet. So this is the front end, and now let's go to the Glide um, designer. So for this one, basically we only have two tabs. So the plans and insights, and the plans is connected to the task sheet later on that we're going to show it as well, and also the insights. Though the insights is currently connected to the users tab. And for that one, it's pretty straightforward. I just use for the plans, I just use the built-in calendar, and I just set the when to the start date time and the title as the task itself. So, and Glide amazingly just created this beautiful user interface, considering also the time. So the time is very important here. So when we input the task, we need to really specify the time so that it could display it properly. And then from here, you can actually, the feature of this is enabled to view the details. So you can see the details. And if you want to take notes of your progress, you can use this, the built-in notes of Glide. And also once you're done, you should actually add a complete date, your actual completed date. And then from here, you can also share the task. And if you want something to change from the details of your task, you can edit it as well. So, so that's it pretty much for the plans tab. And then for insights, so let's go to layout. So as I mentioned earlier, it has currently a 4 charts. So, and for this to be displayed properly, so I have created 4 different tabs for each. So, and you can basically see this on the Google Sheet that I will show later. So it's pretty straightforward to set up. Just it has the quantity, make sure the quantity is set up properly, and the label. So the charts are actually easy to set up. And also, let's now go to the sheets itself, or the database of the app. So basically it has several tabs. So the task is the main one, which has all the details, and the yellow, colored yellow fields are um, calculated fields that I just created. So, and then going back or going to the charts data, so I created some queries in Google, here in Google Sheet that I used in the chart. So for this is the completion rate, and it shows it's being used here in this chart, and I'm using the status for the label, which is this one, and then the task or the count of the task for the quantity. So pretty straightforward. So you can customize this app however you want it. So here in the task, and also the categories if you want to personalize it. So thank you for checking this out, and hope you enjoy using this. God bless.